Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 pills ng barin na Hamad Magnetic second type. Itong right side, ito yung magnetic guys. Itong left side guys, ito yung non-magnetic. Mayroong taon na 14/12/1992. Ang ating magnetic guys, mayroong taon na 14/31/2010 ng barin. So bago tayo magpunta guys dun sa ating presyuhan, sa ating selling online guys, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang features dahil napaka-importante rin na malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng barin. So ito yung features guys. Issuer barin King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, 2022 ang kanyang date. Type standard circulation coin. Mayroong taon na 1431, 1442, 2010 hanggang 2021. Ang kalendar naman ito guys ay Islamic Hijri. Value 10 fils. Sa Pilipinas guys ay 1 piso and 56 centavos. Ang currency naman ay dinar. Mayroong taon na 1965. Composition ito guys sa ating magnetic guys ay brass plated steel. Sa ating non-magnetic guys ay brass lang siya ang kanyang composition. So pareho lang sila ng timbang guys, 3.35 grams. At pareho din ng diameter na 21 mm. Ang thickness 1.48 mm. Ang shape is round. Ang technique is mild. Orientation with dial alignment. Mayroon siyang number na A number 46716 sa ating magnetic. At sa ating non-magnetic guys, mayroong number na A number 2739. Sa reference number natin guys sa ating 10 pills na magnetic ay KM number 28.2 at mayroon show number na 22.2A. Sa ating non-magnetic, mayroon siyang reference number na KM number 17 at show number 14. Ang ating overs guys ay found tray within the inner circle, the country name in Arabic and English, and the Islamic and Gregorian dates in English. Meron siyang script na Arabic and Latin. Ang kanyang lettering naman ay Arabic words 1431-2010 sa ating magnetic of Kingdom of Bahrain. Ang reverse natin guys ay numeric denomination back of the box, denomination within a circle, all within a chain border. Meron din siyang script na Arabic, meron siyang lettering na tin, denomination at Arabic words. Ang translation naman ay 10 fils. Meron siyang edge na smooth. Ang mint naman nito guys ay Royal Mint Lantrisan, United Kingdom, 1968 ang kanyang date. At mayroon lang 46% guys ang ating 2010. Mayroon siyang verify na 29 pesos, extra fine na 45 pesos, about uncirculated 45 pesos, ganun din sa uncirculated guys is 45 pesos. So dito guys tayo guys sa ating non-magnetic guys. Pare-pareho lang sila ng overs. Mukha. Magkaiba lang siya ng date. At mayroon tayong comments dito guys sa ating non-magnetic. Comments niya guys ay issue date for the main sheet KM number and MS number 1 is March 1993. However, all 5 coins in the sheet are dated EH 14/12/1992. So ang roller dito guys sa ating magnetic ay ang first ay si Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa 1971 hanggang 1999. Ang sika naman na roller ay si Sheikh Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa from 1999 ang kanyang date. Ang ating magnetic guys, ang ating non-magnetic guys, ang 14/12/1992, meron siyang 56%, may fine na 16 pesos, may verify na 19 pesos, extra fine 31 pesos, 47 pesos naman ang about uncirculated, at 48 pesos ang uncirculated. So dito tayo guys ating 5 fills guys dahil naibenta ito ng mataas na halaga. So ang tungkol naman dito sa ating brush, sa brush composition guys ay had a variety of names over the year, and it was known as the Orichalcum by the ancient Greeks and the Romans Florentine or Venetian bronze. Yellow copper similar and even tumbak. Its name may vary depending on the proportion of the recipe and its origin, but the composition of this alloy remains the same as successful and beautiful marriage of zinc and copper. The alloy is variable in spirit and color of more. The more zinc dominates, the whiter its hue. The more copper dominates, the more it glimmers with golden highlights. In its monetary form, there is an evidence dating from the 1st century BC in the area of the Asia Minor, most likely in the kingdom of Pontus. Its usage then spread throughout Asia, Europe. Augustus notably substituted it for bronze for certain Dopondeli and sesterces much later in the 18th century. It was a popular choice for tokens, penpech. A low-end brass was used on medals to imitate gold. The properties of the alloy may vary depending on the proportion of the metals employed, but it was well known for its great malleability and good resistance to corrosion. When copper constitute the majority, the patina may turn green. Natin guys ay napakataas ang bintahan doon sa ating selling online sa eBay. Mabot ang 22,941.94 pesos. So 1,000 pesos guys. Ang ating 10 pesos guys sa ating eBay ay mabot lang ng 1,507.42 pesos. Kapag ordinaryo lang, walang grado. Kapag may grado naman ay umabot ng 8,545.01 pesos sa atin sa Pilipinas. So yun guys, ang mga informasyon na nakuha natin tungkol dito sa ating coins ng barin guys. Mayroong 5 fils at 10 fils ng barin. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.